Hello everyone, and welcome again to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create this robot character that can be used for animation video or video games, and can be exported to different game engines. Okay, first, let's start by moving our cube, and add a subdivision modifier. Then, scale it. Now, go to the side. Select 4 faces and use the loop tools to make a circle. Don't forget to turn X-ray mode on. Extrude the circles along the normals by pressing Alt-E. That is it for now. We finished with the head. Let's add the neck. Add new cylinder. Reduce the number of vertices to 16. Then, scale and move it. Now, let's add the chest. Add new cube, scale and move it to the required position. Add one cut loop. Then, adjust the vertices positions. Add 2 vertical cut loops. That is it. We finished the chest. Now, let's add a new cube. Subdivision modifier, then move and scale it. Add new cylinder, scale, move and rotate it. Now, create new cylinder, or duplicate the existing one. Add third cylinder between them. Select this cylinder, go to edit mode. Add new geometry by adding 6 or 7 cut loops. Then, turn on the proportional editing and scale the middle one. Add new sphere, move and scale it. Add new cube. And do the sum. Now, add new cut loops to get new geometry. Switch to face select mode, then, select 3 faces. Extrude them to create fingers. Don't forget to rotate or scale the faces to get more realistic mesh. Now, add mirror modifier, and use the main body as a mirror to get the opposite side of mesh. Add new cylinder, rotate and scale it. Modify the geometry to get something like this. You can use Ctrl H to hide the rest of mesh. Then, Alt H to unhide again. Now, add new cube again. Subdivision modifier. Then, scale it. Select this faces, then try to extrude them. Add new cube, and resize it. Add a mirror modifier. If you get a problem with the second side, try to resize or modify the geometry. Now duplicate the cylinder and move it to bottom. Add new cylinder. Move and scale it. Add new geometry, then scale it using the proportional editing. Again, use mirror modifier. Now, let's add the last part. Add new cube, subdivision modifier, scale and move it. Now, let's make our mesh more smoother. Choose Shade Smooth. Then, go to Data Properties tab, Normalis, then choose Auto Smooth. You can add more details and more geometry to make your character look better. Select the faces where you want to put the eyes. Use loop tools to create circles. Then, extrude them. With that done, we finished the character modeling. We will next shading and give our character colors and material. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel to get the next videos.